How facilities will keep UNO clean and sanitized. Keeping campus clean and sanitary is an effective method of slowing the spread of germs and diseases, including COVID-19. UNO's facilities management and planning staff regularly clean and sanitize all campus buildings and property. The cleaning products and methods used by UNO staff follow best practices and guidelines established by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and guidance from the University of Nebraska Medical Center. In addition to regular cleaning procedures, facility staff members will clean and sanitize classrooms, laboratories, hallways, entryways, stairways, study rooms, student and public lounges, and any space being used in a classroom capacity daily. Additional care will be taken to clean and disinfect high-touch surface areas such as tables, door handles, light switches, countertops, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, sinks, and more. How you can help keep UNO clean and sanitized. In between cleanings by UNO facility staff, it's up to the entire UNO community to keep campus clean and sanitary. Sanitizing wipes will be provided for students and faculty to clean and disinfect their work areas in each classroom. Treat your desk like you would treat shared equipment at the gym. Use a sanitizing wipe to clean your desk before and after using it. Unfold the wipe to cover more space as you go, rather than bunching it up. After you wipe down a surface, let the disinfectant do its job. Disinfectants are most effective when they are given time to work, so aim to allow a surface to be visibly wet with disinfectant for at least 4 minutes. Keeping UNO clean doesn't end with cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. Students, faculty, and staff can help keep UNO clean by following proper hand washing and hygiene procedures and wearing a face covering to reduce the spread of contaminants outlined in previous modules. Hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol can also be used if soap and water is not readily available, as long as hands are not visibly dirty. Cleaning versus disinfecting. Cleaning and disinfecting are not equal. Though the terms may be used interchangeably, what's happening at a microscopic level is much different. Cleaning refers to the removal of dirt and impurities, including germs, from surfaces. Cleaning alone does not kill germs, but rather decreases their number on a surface and therefore reduces any risk of spreading infection. Disinfecting works by using chemicals such as EPA-registered disinfectants to kill germs on surfaces. This process does not necessarily clean dirty surfaces or remove germs, but killing germs remaining on a surface after cleaning further reduces any risk of spreading infection. Cleaning lab space. Many programs include lab experiences that require students to work on projects in a shared laboratory setting. In these situations, students, faculty, and staff are expected to wear a face covering and, if possible, practice physical distancing. In addition to standard environmental health and safety procedures for labs, further cleaning and disinfection procedures should be implemented in lab environments to slow the spread of the virus. When possible, wear disposable gloves to clean and disinfect. Use a sanitizing wipe or another provided disinfectant to clean what you anticipate touching or using. Wipe down keyboards, countertops, light switches, lab equipment, freezers or refrigerators, copiers, and anywhere you rest your hands. Monitors may also be cleaned using sanitizing wipes, but it is not necessary. Use a wipe to clean what you touched when you plan to leave the space. Safety data sheets, SDS, are provided in lab spaces, and materials regarding chemical safety and hazardous material identification are available on the Environmental Health and Safety website.